Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Now today I'm going to be speaking about how you can become a Forex millionaire. Yes, how do you go about making $1 million in the Forex market, right guys? I know you're tired of seeing a lot of fakes, people posting fake screenshots, people posting fake Lambos, all of that. I'm not in a position to judge, but I know a lot of those stuff are not real. But the question is, how can you actually the real way? What's the roadmap? Today I'm going to be speaking about the roadmap to becoming a Forex millionaire. If you're serious about making $1 million in the Forex market, I suggest you stick around to the very end of this video, because I'm going to be talking about real life strategies that you can employ so that you can become a Forex millionaire. Alright guys, so stick around and do not go anywhere. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dapper Willis, as you already know. I'm a serial entrepreneur who just loves to make money online. As most of you guys know, I started my online business structure, Forex trading. So my first ever million, I made it from the foreign exchange market. That's how I got introduced into online businesses and stuff like that. So when it comes to Forex industry, when it comes to the Forex industry, I'm very, very, very well grounded. I've seen it all. I've been doing this for 9 years. So trust me when I say I'm in the best position to tell you how you can go about making your first $1 million US from the foreign exchange market. Alright guys, so the first way you want to go about this is you need to get the right education. Guys, I always stress this in all my videos. If you scroll through my YouTube channel, I'm always providing value for free. The reason I do this is because when I started trading, right, the information out there wasn't so great. It was absolutely trash. And I made a commitment to myself that once I knew how to trade the Forex market, I was going to give back as much as possible. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself educated, because if you do not know how to trade the market properly, you can kiss $1 million goodbye. Like you almost never get to make that. Guys, only 5% of traders make $1 million in this market. So if you want to be part of that 5%, you need to get yourself educated. Now, what do I mean by getting educated? First things first, you need to ensure that your technicals are on point. I always come on my YouTube channel. Probably I haven't really been doing it that much, but I'm going to resume again, whereby I come on here and then I break down the charts technically, right? You need to have your technical analysis on point. So if your technicals are wavy, if you're still relying on indicators, if you're still relying on signals, you're never going to make $1 million. You need to be able to analyze this market for yourself, right? And the best way to go about this is, I think you need to buy my course. I can't believe I just said that, but it's the truth. Like, I have one of the best Forex courses out there that actually teaches you how to analyze like a pro. If you're doubting this, feel free to scroll down on my YouTube channel. You see some really good analysis that I put out there. So guys, the first barrier, okay, is your technicals. The second thing you want to get on point is your risk management strategy. Now, on my program, I always advise my traders to stick to a 3% risk. So ideally, we're risking 3% to make 10%, right? That's my risk management strategy. And if you're trading in the direction of the trend, 3% is fine. If you're going against the trend, we reduce our risk down to 1%. 1% to make 3%. It doesn't sound like a lot of return, but then again, if you want to make $1 million, you need to have an investor's perspective. You need to have not a gambler's perspective, anything but a gambler's perspective. Because if you're risking anything above 10 to 15%, you're actually gambling. Okay, guys. So if we're trading in the direction of the trend, 3% to make 10%. If we're going against the trend, we risk just 1%. And you're probably thinking, "Oh, my account size is in that." Do not worry about that, right? Just stick to the rules, be disciplined, and the money will find you. Money always looks for Forex traders. Anyways, so guys, the first one is technical analysis. Second one is risk management. The third pillar to your trading, to becoming a very wealthy trader, is your trader psychology. You need to have your mindset right. Okay, so trader psychology in the sense that you're not over trading. Trading psychology in the sense that you're not in for this. You're not in this for a get to rich quick kind of thing. Okay, you need to have your mindset right. And the fourth pillar on that getting your education right is known as market psychology. How to understand when the market is going to fake you out, right? I've been trading this market for about 9 years now, and before the market fakes out, I'm like, dude, I know you, man. You're about to fake me out. You're about to run my stops. I've seen you before. That's what you like to do. Literally, there's some kind of triangle formations that form. I know that the market is about to run stops. I understand where market manipulation tends to happen. Now, I know how to do this from experience. However, it's something that I can show you guys if you came on the program as well. So market psychology is very, very important. So the first one is your technical analysis. You need to get that on point. Technicals, after technicals, risk management, trader psychology, and market psychology. These four pillars, once you have them on lock, you've sorted out the education aspect of things, okay? So guys, step 2 is mindset. A lot of traders come into this market with the wrong mindset. Why? Because I blame it on the brokers. The brokers tend to advertise, this market to you guys in the wrong way. You guys think you're going to come in here and make $10,000, $20,000 overnight. It's not going to happen. You cannot take $1,000 to $100,000. It's not going to happen. So you need to come in with the right mindset. And that mindset is this. If you actually want to make $1 million in this market, right, you need to get an account size. I always recommend $1,000. Grow it to $2,000 by trading once or twice a month, making about 10%. After 12 months, what you have is 120% return on that $1,000, which is about $2,000 plus. Once you have $2,000 plus, right, you can now show these returns to investors. This is what investors want to see. You're not going to get rich off of your own capital. It just does not happen. This is the primary issue a lot of traders have. They think that they can get rich with $500. You cannot get rich with $500. It just doesn't happen. All right, guys. So once you have the mindset right, you know that, okay, I've gotten my education right from Mr. Dapsey after taking his course. The reason I'm saying you need to take my course is because my course is one of the best I've seen out there. Scroll through my YouTube channel. Like, I'm sorry, but I just can't vouch for any other courses out there because I've taken a lot of courses. Rather, I took a lot of courses when I was trying to learn how to trade, and they were just telling me a lot of basic crap, right? So after the course, I'm very certain that the course will take you from technicals, risk management, trader psychology, market psychology. Is about 9 modules in that course that's really going to help you understand how to trade the market properly. So once you have the education right, you have the mindset right, you know that you're not in this market to make $1 million overnight. You grow $1,000 to $2,000. What you then do is you go and export that equity curve. Now that you have returned 120% return on your investment, all you need to do is export that from your MT4 platform. Export that equity curve. It's going to look like a little bit like this, right? So now you have actually returned 120% on your investment. Now you can go about speaking to investors. All right, guys. So the third step to becoming a Forex millionaire is this. Now is the time you get to suit up. You've gotten your education right. You understand how to trade technically. You understand proper risk management because, guys, if you're going to go and take on investors' money, you need to have your risk management on point. If not, you go and lose their money and then the police comes to arrest you. You do not want that. So technicals are sorted, risk management is sorted. You have your trader psychology mindset on point, knowing that I want to make 10% every month. And then you understand market psychology, where the market is going to run your stops and all that. Now, guys, you can go about taking your exported equity curve from your MT4, stating that you've returned 120% on your investment. You can go about looking for investors. Guys, I keep telling a lot of traders that looking for investors is the easiest thing to do. Once you tell somebody that, hey, I was able to double my money doing something, or I was able to return 60% or 50%, once you tell anybody that you've been able to make money on money, they're going to ask you, how did you do it? Can you help me out? Before, like, people that you never knew even had $5,000 are going to tell you, well, I think I have one $5,000 somewhere. Do you want to help me out? Like, people are going to start throwing money at you. The reason I'm saying this is because it happened to me literally today, right before I was shooting this video. some investors try to reach out to me, asking me, oh, please, can you trade for me? Like, people are constantly throwing money at me because I know how to trade. So that should be your case as well, right? If you want to become a millionaire in this industry, you need to have a very, very good return on investment, right? 120% on $1,000 is absolutely fine. And the reason I'm saying $1,000 is because, $1,000 is the barest minimum for anybody to take you seriously. So this is the point where you suit up, you go from bank to bank. Literally all you need to do is speak to your account officer. Your account officer is going to speak to the branch manager. If the bank doesn't have money to give you, the personnel in the bank know people who have a lot of money. And before you know it, networking, oh, he knows how to trade, oh, his returns are very good, blah, blah, blah. Before you know it, somebody's telling you, well, what can you do with $100,000? Literally, guys, this happens to me on a daily basis. People always ask me, oh, okay, if I give you $500,000, what can you do with it? How much return? Literally, and all you need to do, guys, is as long as your returns are above 7% a month, right, people are going to give you money. So you need to focus on the first two aspects of things, right? Getting your education right, and having the right mindset. The third step, which is seeking for investors who come naturally to you. You don't need to worry about investors. In fact, once you're able to turn your $1,000 to $2,200 in 12 months, come and meet me. I will give you an investor myself. So guys, this is exactly how you go about making $1 million in the Forex market. Obviously, you start to grow all this 10K, 50K, 500K. Before you know what's happening, you're managing a fund north of 10 million US dollars. As long as you stay disciplined, you follow the rules on my course, you follow the rules on my program, you will become a Forex millionaire. I've just broken down these steps for you, right? And the good thing about the program is the way I trade, my technical analysis, my trade setups, and the way I like to analyze the chart, I always pick out the very best trades. I only trade twice in a month. I'm only looking for the very best trades to trade in a month. So guys, I hope I've been able to explain to you guys how you can become Forex millionaires. First step, education. Second step, mindset. Third step is getting yourself an investor. All right, guys, on that note, I'm going to have to leave you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you found this video helpful, kindly drop me a comment below, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. All right, guys, take it easy and